Good night, teacher. It with a recording of the had a factory rally. Boy Scar section do or the basically stir. Some teams he eat tags may year or this has to be found no three his a white to look for the for some of his face some illness can be found and treated very early with heavy and boy scans a doctor to look into a person's body. They can see both tissues and blood vessels by looking into a personal body. This doctor can sometimes set how a person is that have a family history. Police may want to have a boy scan tortan are you and had what probably to net one song problem have boy scan because he must then wet more scure manicure doctor do not think where it should have because body cans are expended. They are found not necessary. Sometimes body scans can be work when it has his can house a lot of unnecessary worry. Body scan can be required to doctor and patient. They can find diseases at air stances. If these cells are found here, they can be treated more harsh. He was very good idea to call a doctor whoever spend money on one. Thank you, teacher.